Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by finding a usable sound. Open the YouTube app, tap the plus, then create a short. Once there, tap Add Sound to access trending, saved, and library audio. Scroll or use search terms to locate the exact clip. Preview the audio and set the clip length. Remember, shorts accept 0.05 to 60 seconds. Make sure to choose a segment that matches your visual energy, if needed. Note the timestamp where the hook begins, so your edit lands on beat. Now you sync the chosen sound to your footage. If recording live, play the sound loud enough for lip sync. Otherwise, import video and place the audio layer underneath. Use trim handles to nudge the audio start. Make micro adjustments so beats align with cuts or actions. Once aligned, tap the volume control and balance music versus ambient or dialogue. Lower music when speaking. Make sure to preview at least twice, because rhythm and timing sell the short more than effects do. Finish by polishing metadata and checking rights. Add captions and a short caption line, include relevant hashtags, and pick a strong thumbnail frame. Once done, set visibility, audience settings, and confirm any copyright or license notices shown under the sound. Tap Upload, then immediately test playback on another device to confirm sync and volume. If audio shifts or is muted, re-edit using the original file, check for app updates, or clear cache. Those fixes resolve.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.